get there. See now the sail has a nice shape again. But if we do too much, we will lose speed. Because then we will not get the right flow.
Last day.